Yeah, I murder raps and then some. Hold this shit for ransom. I skirt like Tony Danza. I'm killing shit with stanzas. Smoke this beat like cancer. Make your bitch my dancer. They ask the question, Young Jonah be the fucking answer. Yo, they call my phone, these fucking hoes is tripping. Don't give a fuck, I cut these niggas, leave them full of stitches. Leave them in the ditches, sparking shit ignition. Choke the game submission. I don't need dimensions, game is fucking full of bitches. Yo, I bring their ass back to class and put these niggas into fucking tension. Pay attention to the shit I'm spitting. It's scriptural, these motherfucking rhymes a nigga written. Your whole style whack as fuck, this shit is sounding written. You pussy ass motherfucker should go and buy a kitten.